Ready for a ride that defies convention? Meet the Lazareth Wazuma V8M, a trike that blends the raw power of a supercar with the agility of a motorcycle. This extraordinary trike is powered by a roaring 4.7-liter V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 460 horsepower. With its futuristic design and W-shaped geometry, the Wazuma V8M is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Limited to only 10 units, this machine combines the thrill of a motorcycle with the power of a supercar. Whether you're cruising down the highway or showing off at a car meet, the Lazareth Wazuma V8M guarantees to turn heads and leave a lasting impression.